Okay guys, I will show you how to install Sentrifugo open source HRMS. So go to sentrifugo.com and then click here to download. Then you need a Xampp. So to download Xampp, go to apachefriends.org and click here for Windows. After that, we need to in Xampp, this is our Xampp, we need to start our Apache and MySQL. So after we start, then go to your browser and type localhost slash centrifugal slash install slash index.php. So here, this is the configuration. So here we are at the prerequisite. So click next, and then here we will put our host, it's localhost, our username root, and our database centrifugo. So before we put the centrifugo, go to localhost slash phpMyAdmin. So here we click new. So create database. So we'll put a centrifugo here. So centrifugo. So here, after you make a database, so here the centrifugo, confirm. After you confirm, then next. Then your email address, confirm, then next. And your username, your password, SMTP server, just put TLC 587, then next. So here the final check. So we click finish. Then here, these are login credentials for Centrifugo. Download PDF. And then we're gonna open this PDF. So we need this information to open our centrifugal. Then we'll go to follow this link to open our application. So here our username is this one. I'm gonna copy and this one. So guys, this is the result or the proof that we successfully installed our centrifugal. So by the way, before I end this video, a while ago we download the centrifugal. So after you download, you need to unzip the centrifugal. Then the folder, which is the unzip centrifugal, you need to copy that and paste it to your Xampp directory. So Xampp, then htdocs, and you paste here. So after that, you will go to your browser. The while ago that I said to put the localhost centrifugal slash install that index. That's the time you start installing your centrifugal. So I hope you understand what I'm talking about. So thank you guys for watching.